Join me as I dive into the most amazing and interesting facts you probably never knew, and see if I can blow your mind with what I uncover. Welcome to today's fascinating journey into the unknown. There are so many incredible facts out there that few people have had the chance to discover. As we explore this content together, you'll realize just how little we actually know about the world we live in, and how much more there is to uncover. When it comes to information, we have to be careful. With so many sources out there, it's easy to get caught up in misinformation or just plain old myths. Sometimes, it's hard to separate fact from fiction, and that's exactly why a lot of people might not know some of the most amazing facts out there. There's just too much clutter getting in the way of the real deal. It's time to clear the air and shine a light on the little-known truths that will leave you going wow. But before we get to those, it's essential to understand just how much we're missing out on. There are people out there who dedicate their lives to uncovering the secrets of the universe, and yet, we still haven't even scratched the surface. The reality is, we live in a world where a single Google search can lead us down a rabbit hole of misinformation. It's crazy to think that we've become so reliant on the internet for answers, when in fact, some of the most incredible facts are hiding in plain sight. Let's get started on this fascinating journey and explore some of the most intriguing facts you never knew existed. For instance, did you know that there's a species of jellyfish that's immortal? Yes, you heard that right, the Turritopsis donii, also known as the immortal jellyfish, is biologically immortal, meaning it can transform its body into a younger state through a process called transdifferentiation. Another fascinating fact is that there's a type of fungus that can turn ants into zombies. Ophiocordyceps unilateralis, a fungus that infects carpenter ants, grows inside their bodies and eventually kills them. But here's the creepy part: before that happens, the fungus takes control of the ants' bodies, causing them to climb to high locations and bite onto a leaf, allowing the fungus to spread its spores more effectively. Did you know that there's a lake in Africa that's so toxic it can turn animals into stone? Lake Natron, located in Tanzania, is a saltwater lake that's so alkaline, it can calcify the bodies of animals that die in its waters, essentially turning them into statues. There's also a species of shark that can live for up to 500 years. The Greenland shark, found in the Arctic and subarctic regions, is one of the longest living vertebrates on the planet, with some individuals estimated to be centuries old. But the most astonishing fact of all has to do with the concept of time itself. You see, scientists have discovered a certain type of star that's so massive, it would take a spacecraft 1,500 years to reach it, even if it was traveling at the speed of light. That's right, folks, 1,500 years. It's a mind-blowing thought, especially when you consider the fact that the light we see from those stars today has been traveling through space for thousands of years. Let's recap some of the most fascinating facts we've covered today. From the immortal jellyfish and zombie ants, to the toxic lake and ancient sharks, each of these facts is a reminder of how much we still have to learn about our world. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the unknown. What was your favorite fact from today's video? Let me know in the comments below, and if you have any suggestions for future topics, feel free to share those as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content, and I'll catch you all in the next video.